The Outdoor Patio 8x8 gazebo was sold at Target. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ375PST-3. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x8 and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round frame posts, fabric cover at top of each frame post. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Outdoor Patio 8x8 gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.